Mga kaNose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Diasto. And for today's special episode, Coffeecon, a coffee appreciation by Bluejay Coffee and Company. A gathering of like-minded coffee drinkers who want to appreciate coffee at Ubra Shared Space Cafe Lounge, 2nd floor, Southpoint SM City Iloilo. Held October 18, 2019. It's a free application class, limited slots, and for the registration, luckily, naka-register ako on time. So it was a fun event, mga kaNose, especially knowing more about coffee, history of coffee, different tastes, and different preferences like taste, mouthfeel. Ito po yung isa sa mga activities nila. Getting to know different types of persons and new friends. The specific time, French press. So Bluejay uses 80% Arabica and Robusta. So their beans are freshly from Sagada. For the cupping time, Jet allowed us to taste the coffee or the brewed coffee from yung cupping time, yung 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. And we need to describe it on our own preference or own observation or senses. The fragrance, the flavor, the acidity, the mouthfeel, consistent pa rin siya for 5 minutes or sa 10 minutes na siya or nag-change na siya completely. So, and also I have this. Thank you for watching, mga kaNose. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell button for more updates and latest happenings for Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Ryan Diasto saying